How to start writing on Medium in 2024. Earn money on Medium. Lesson 1. Creating your Medium account. First, you need to create an account on Medium. Visit medium.com and sign up using your email, Google, or Twitter account. Once you're signed in, take some time to customize your profile. Add a professional photo, a catchy bio, and links to your social media or personal website. 2. Finding your niche. Medium has a vast audience with diverse interests, so it's essential to identify what you are passionate about and what you can write about consistently. Whether it's technology, health, personal development, or creative writing, finding your niche helps attract a dedicated readership. 3. Writing your first article. Start with a compelling headline to grab attention. Keep your introduction engaging and concise. Use short paragraphs, subheadings, and bullet points to make your content easy to read. Don't forget to add relevant images or media to enhance your article. 4. Publishing and promoting your work. Once your article is ready, hit the publish button. But your work doesn't stop there. Share your article on social media, engage with other writers, and join Medium publications. Publications can help you reach a larger audience and increase your chances of earning money. 5. Joining the Medium Partner Program. To start earning money on Medium, join the Medium Partner Program. This program allows you to earn based on the engagement your stories receive from Medium members. The more people read and interact with your content, the more you earn. 6. Consistency and engagement. Consistency is key. Try to publish regularly to build a loyal readership. Engage with your readers by responding to comments and participating in the Medium community. The more active you are, the more visibility your articles will gain. 7. Importance of consistency and engagement. Use Medium's analytics tools to track your performance. Analyze which articles perform best and what topics resonate with your audience. This data will help you refine your content strategy and improve your earnings over time. Conclusion. Starting on Medium in 2024 is an exciting opportunity to share your voice and earn money. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful Medium writer. So, what are you waiting for? Start writing today and let your ideas shine on Medium.